Hi everybody, this is Rachel Bennett from Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance, and today I want to give you a free tutorial on how to enhance your belly dancing while scooping about with your hips. Now, this is great as a warm-up and it's a really good way to cover Taqsims in pieces of music, so particularly ballady. People often say to me they're not quite sure what to do, and I always say follow the music, let the music tell you what to do. And these scoops can help you find new creativity when you're following the melodic interpretation of the music. Plus it's a great workout for your hips and your stomach muscles. So, scooping is something that some people call, say, half a vertical figure eight, and it's when you are either with the foot entirely lowered or lifting the heel. You're just doing half a vertical eight, or some people call this a scoop. There's many other names. You just go by what your regular teacher tells you. Now, what we're going to do is think about scooping all around us, as far as we can to the front, working all the way around to the back, and working on the other hip as well. Now, this is a great way to explore your range as a dancer. Come along with me. Just rotate your hip, keep the back leg bent, and take the hips as far as you can, gently, especially if you're warming up. You must be gentle and small with your moves. And you notice I went all the way around to the back, all the way around to the front. Let's do the same on the other side, nice and gentle. There we go. Good. Okay, now, if you want to make the move bigger, you keep the heel lifted. Lifting the heel is always easier than working purely through a flat foot. And you can take your time with the moves. They can be as slow and fast as you want. You use them to match the music. So you plie and take a deeper plie and go out as far as you can with your hip to give the illusion of a bigger move. And if you think of yourself as being on a clock face and you've got all the 5-minute increments, and indeed, if you want to go even further, all the little minute increments around you, you can try and hit each little minute line in your imagination. And of course, if you want to work harder, just have your feet flat on the floor. You can either work in parallel or you can have one foot in front of the other, it's up to you. And just scoop, working through the stomach muscles. And you want to go deeper and wider, you go deeper with your plie. Try and take the hip out as far as you can. And this will loosen up the hips. It's a good strengthening exercise for those abs and also the quadriceps. But it can also help you follow the melody shape that an instrument is playing. Whether it's a flute or an accordion, you can follow it with your hip, making it small and large, fast and slow. Just as the music is telling you, the music could be falling and rising. Have a go, see how you get on. Put on a piece of music that you know and love, or surprise yourself with a new piece that you've not worked on before. And then see if you can take this further. I will show you how to do that in my next little tutorial video. So folks, I will see you soon. Take care of yourselves, and you can find out more about my belly dance school at rachelbellydancer.com and our Festival of Belly Dance workshops, bellydanceheaven.com. You can get a free tutorial on my website. Take care now, bye-bye.